Camping shovels, or entrenching tools, are compact, multi-use tools that can dramatically reduce weight and bulk on multi-day trips, while expanding your ability to perform tasks like digging, fire pit preparation, snow clearing, and brush cutting. The category often pits budget microfolders against rugged, military-style entrenchers.
List number 1. Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick. The Rhino USA Folding Entrenching Tool is a true 3-in-1 design, with a shovel, a 90-degree pickaxe, and a 90-degree hoe option. It extends to 22 inches and folds compactly to 9 by 6 inches, weighing about 2 pounds. Carbon steel with a black powder-coated finish promises durability and corrosion resistance, plus a lifetime replacement warranty. The tool ships with a heavy-duty carry case and is American-owned with a family-operated support model. This model's standout is its robust, military-style construction and proven multifunction versatility, which makes it appealing for off-road, garden prep, and survival scenarios where bone-dry reliability matters. Performance-wise, the 8.2-inch blade length and 2-pound weight balance portability with enough heft for more demanding digging tasks. The 180-degree shovel and 90-degree tools provide orientation flexibility for different tasks: shoveling, prying, digging trench lines, or cutting through light brush. The 2-pound mass helps in rough soil, but can feel lagging in very hard ground or rocky terrain. User experience benefits from the included carry case, straightforward folding mechanism, and a solid grip. However, the edge geometry is not specialized for heavy chopping, and the coating, while corrosion-resistant, can show wear with heavy use. Best use cases include vehicle recoveries, campsite trenching, beach digging, and general emergency prep, where a rugged, long-lasting tool is preferred.
List number 2. Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel with Pick. This is the tan variant of the same Rhino USA 3-in-1 entrenching tool, sharing the same 3-use design, carbon steel construction, and lifetime replacement promise. It extends to 22 inches and folds to a compact 9 by 6 inches with a 2.3-pound weight profile. The tan finish is marketed for better heat absorption and camouflage appeal in outdoor environments. The included carry solution remains a core convenience feature, and the tool continues to emphasize American ownership and customer support. Performance-wise, the tan model maintains identical dimensional and material specs to the black version, including the 8.2-inch blade and 180-degree, 90-degree configurations. The lighter 2.3-pound variant can be marginally more balanced for long packing trips, but the difference is minor in practical terms. Use cases mirror the black version: off-road use, camping prep, gardening tasks, and snow or sand digging. Users should expect similar durability and reliability, with the main differentiator being color for visibility or aesthetics rather than performance. Durability, grip, and edge retention align with the black variant, aided by the same lifetime replacement warranty.
List number 3. Digging Shovel. Placaide offers a compact 18.5-inch folding shovel made from high-carbon steel with a 7.5-ounce weight when folded. It folds in 3 directions via an aluminum alloy screw articulation and ships with a nylon carry bag. The design emphasizes a lightweight footprint for emergency kits, backpacking, and garden tasks, with a serrated edge for cutting small branches and a triangular handle for improved leverage. Performance-wise, the Placaide shovel prioritizes portability over brute digging power. The high-carbon steel blade provides reasonable wear resistance, but the lighter build means it isn't ideal for very hard or rocky soil compared with heavier entrenchers. The serrated edge adds versatility for kindling or brush clearing, though it may wear faster with heavy use. Use cases include ultralight backpacking, roadside emergencies, and light garden tasks where compact storage and ease of carry trump maximum digging force. Comfort is aided by the ergonomic grip, but the smaller blade and shorter overall length can limit leverage in deep trenching or heavy clay soils.
List number 4. Iunio Camping Shovel. Iunio presents a versatile folding shovel at $19.99, offering a built-in multi-tool suite: shovel, saw, bottle opener, whistle, pickaxe, nail extractor, hoe, compass, and a rubber grip handle. The extended length is 18.3 inches, with a fully folded size compact enough for belt carry. The tool uses high-carbon steel for the blade and handle, with a robust build and a focus on feature-dense practicality for hikers, campers, and emergency responders. Performance-wise, the Ionio shovel emphasizes multifunction utility and user-centric features like an emergency whistle and compass. This makes it highly capable in light to moderate tasks, like digging trenches, cutting small brush, or prying. The rubber grip and overall weight around 1.4 pounds add comfort for longer use. However, the abundance of tools can lead to slightly less rigidity in pure digging tasks, and some users may prefer simpler, more durable single tools for heavy-duty jobs. Ideal use cases include backpacking with limited kit space, disaster prep kits, and vehicle emergencies where multiple quick-access tools are valuable.
List number 5. RedCamp 23-inch military folding camping shovel with cover. RedCamp's 23-inch manganese steel folding shovel is a mid to upper range option at $19.99, offering a 3-fold design, contoured grip, and a heat-treated blade. It ships with a cover and a heavy-duty feel for camping, beach, snow, and mud tasks. The rotating nut allows 180-degree shoveling or 90-degree hoeing, while the serrated edge helps with cutting brush. The tool weighs about 2.46 pounds and is positioned as a versatile, durable option for multi-season use. In practice, the RedCamp shovel delivers solid digging performance for moderate tasks, with decent edge bite and a robust build, suitable for casual to intermediate use. The manganese steel offers good wear resistance and corrosion protection, while the 3-fold design enhances packability. Some trade-offs include heavier weight relative to ultralight models and a slightly longer extended length that may require more space in tight packs. This makes it a strong all-arounder for campers who want durability without paying premium price.